Tracking the performance of your Facebook ad is crucial for evaluating its effectiveness and making informed decisions to optimize future campaigns. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to track the performance of your Facebook ad. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log into your Facebook account and go to Ads Manager. Here, you can access all the information related to your ad campaigns. 2. Select the ad campaign. In Ads Manager, choose the specific ad campaign that you want to analyze. You'll be able to view performance data for each campaign, ad set, and individual ad. 3. View key metrics. Facebook Ads Manager provides a dashboard with key metrics for your selected campaign. Some essential metrics to review include reach, the number of people who saw your ad; impressions, the total number of times your ad was displayed; clicks, the number of clicks on your ad; click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it; conversions, if your campaign objective is conversions, track the number of completed actions. 4. Customize columns. Customize the columns in Ads Manager to display specific metrics that are most relevant to your campaign objectives. This allows you to focus on the data that matters most to you. 5. Set date range. Adjust the date range to view performance data over a specific period. Analyzing data over time helps identify trends and patterns. 6. Analyze audience insights. Explore the Audience Insights section to understand demographic information, interests, and behaviors of the audience engaging with your ad. This information can inform future targeting strategies. 7. Review placement data. If your ad is running on multiple platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, review placement data to see where your ad is performing best. 8. Examine ad creative performance. Evaluate the performance of different ad creatives, headlines, and copy. Identify which elements resonate most with your audience by comparing metrics across variations. 9. Check ad frequency. Ad frequency represents how often your ad is shown to the same user. High ad frequency can lead to ad fatigue. Monitor this metric and consider refreshing your ad creative if needed. 10. Track conversion attribution. Understand the attribution window for your conversion events. Facebook allows you to customize the attribution window to track conversions over a specific time period. 11. Check cost metrics. Review cost-related metrics such as cost per click, CPC, cost per mil, CPM, and cost per conversion. Assess whether your ad spend aligns with your campaign goals. 12. Use breakdowns for deeper insights. Use the breakdown feature in Ads Manager to analyze performance by various factors such as age, gender, location, device, and more. This provides deeper insights into audience behavior. 13. Set up custom reports. Create custom reports in Ads Manager to streamline the reporting process. This allows you to access specific performance data without having to manually adjust columns each time. 14. Monitor ad comments and messages. If applicable, monitor comments and messages on your ads. Engage with your audience and address any questions or concerns. 15. Integrate with Google Analytics. If you're driving traffic to a website, consider integrating Facebook ads with Google Analytics. This provides additional insights into user behavior on your site. 16. Compare performance across campaigns. Compare the performance of different campaigns to identify top-performing strategies and allocate budget accordingly. 17. Implement A/B testing. If you conducted A/B testing with different ad variations, review the results to understand which elements contributed to better performance. 18. Adjust and optimize. Based on your analysis, make data-driven decisions to optimize your ad campaign. Adjust targeting, creative elements, and budget allocation as needed. 19. Regularly review and iterate. Regularly review performance metrics and iterate on your ad strategy based on the insights gained. The advertising landscape on Facebook is dynamic, so ongoing optimization is essential. 20. Use Facebook Analytics. Consider using Facebook Analytics for more in-depth insights into user behavior, conversions, and the customer journey. By following these steps, you can effectively track the performance of your Facebook ad campaigns and make informed decisions to improve future campaigns. Regular monitoring and adaptation based on performance data are key to achieving long-term success with Facebook advertising. So that's it. See you in the next videos.